Okay, and so the milestone 2 rubric. The feature spread text, the headline text, and the subhead text of your magazine cover. So what does that mean? That means that you have already drawn and designed, well, you're working on your masthead. So now you're gathering all the text. Okay, so here's the scenario. You're a magazine design, you work for a magazine, you're a designer. So here's what you get. This month's project is this. You get to design the cover, and you get to design the feature spread, and then as a plus, you get to design the contents page. So as a designer, you're going to be given the text 98% of the time of your career. So you go out and get the text. You can lift it from the internet. I don't really care where the text comes from. I don't care what it says. It just credit your source and let's lay some text in there. Okay, so you'll have your magazine feature spread text. That's the text I'm talking about. You just gather that and put it somewhere. You know, let's say it's 500 words. Okay, let's put that somewhere. Don't forget, you can always use a continued on page whatever. So you as much text as you want. So then you put that aside. Okay, then you figure, okay, well, I got my masthead. So now what are my articles going to be? My main feature article I would already know because I just already got the text for that, right? So I've got the feature spread text. Now what am I going to call the feature spread? I need to give it a name, headline text, okay? Now what I have to do is I have to get my subhead text together, okay? So here's what I got. I got my masthead. I got my feature spread text is set aside. I got my headline text all set, the verbiage. Okay, then I'm going to get my subhead text of my magazine covers. What does that mean? That means that if I have my magazine cover with my feature spread listed as, I don't know, The Wizard of Oz, and then your subhead would be Dorothy Goes to Whatever, or so those are the subheads. So in Sports Illustrated, for example, you would have LeBron James wins his whatever his game, and then little subheads behind it that would say, Cleveland Indians are so and so, and then the Boston Red Sox are so and so, and then you know what I'm saying. So you would have your feature spread, then your subhead on usually down the sides of the magazine. Okay. Then you would have your subhead text set aside. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your text for your contents page, which means that you're going to have to take all of those stories that are on your cover under your subhead text for your cover. Okay, so all of those stories now have to have a page, right? So you're going to design a contents page using those same headline, feature spread, and other stories in your contents page. Okay, so they don't exist, okay? You're just saying that so-and-so is on page whatever. So you're going to design the contents page. Now, the next thing you're going to do is take that feature spread text and put it in a double spread in InDesign. I don't care where it goes or how it goes for now. Then you're going to put your headline, the name of it. Then you're going to put the subhead and the article by or so-and-so. And then any other pull quotes or any other images or anything you plan on using in your article on the first 2 pages, go ahead and include that, okay? So, and as I said, you're going to do your 5 digital studies for your contents page, 5 digital studies for your magazine spread, and 5 digital studies for your magazine cover, okay? So I just really want to get the text in place, folks, okay? So you don't really have to design it. This is nowhere near the finished project. All right, so to just get your texts in place. Don't worry about setting it. Don't worry about designing anything. Just get your text in place. Give me an idea of the typefaces that you want to use by placing them, and let's see where we go from there, okay? You already have your masthead done, so you'll just have to do some typographic design. You'll just have to pick some typefaces and make sure they have a good reason why, and that's really it. So that what we'll do with those typographic studies is we'll pick which one shows the most potential of the 5. Don't forget to include your images on your cover and everything you want to do. So just don't have to consider the type to be final placement just yet. Okay. I hope this helps. If it doesn't, guys, just go ahead and give me a holler. But this should help. Basically, all we're doing is putting the pieces in place right now. So, all right, hope that helps, guys. Thanks.